Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in Excel. Okay. I'll show you all the formulas which is used in Excel. Okay. My name is Udan. I am a computer faculty of Microsoft Computer Center, Tumkur. Okay. I'll go to Excel. Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll take some formulas. I'll take some mathematical formula. Now here what I'll do? Now suppose I want to find the square root of a number. Square root of a number. We have formula called equals SQRT. SQRT. Open the bracket. Set the value. Close the bracket. Okay. SQRT is function to find the square root of a number. Square root of 2 is 1.44. Now once if you drag what will happen, it show the result of other rows. Okay. Next is what? Suppose I want to find the power of a number. For power you take two values. Equals, we have function called POWR, power. Open the bracket. Select first value, comma, second value, close the bracket, enter. Okay, that is 2 raised to 2 cube is 8 now. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the power 4 to the 8. Suppose I want to find power of other numbers. Power of other numbers. Okay. Now once if I drag what will happen, it will show the result of other rows. Okay. I told what is square root and what is power. Next what we have a function called absolute. Okay. Actually what is absolute? See, absolute is for converting negative value to positive. Negative value to positive. We tell as absolute, but we give the function as ABS. Now select the value, close the bracket. Okay. ABS is a function for converting negative value to positive value. Okay. Now see, once if I drag what is happening here, it's converting, that is negative to positive. Next what we have one more function called sign. Okay. Sign. Actually what is the meaning of sign? See, sign is for representing positive value in terms of positive number, negative value in terms of negative number. We have function called equals, this is sign, S-I-G-N sign. Open the bracket, select the value, close the bracket. See, for positive sign it show 1, for negative side it show minus 1. Once if I drag it show like this. See, like that you have different function. Now we'll go to next sheet. In the next sheet I'll show you, that is regarding I take decimal value. We have a function called floor. Open the bracket, select the value. Floor you are passing an argument as 1. Okay. Now what is happening here? Floor means it remove the decimal part. It remove the fractional value and it will retain only the whole number. Okay. Now once if I see, if I take another value here like it. Okay. Now once if I drag what will happen? Even if it is above 5 also, even if the decimal value is above 5, what will happen? Is removing the decimal value or fractional value, it maintain only the whole number. Next what I will do? Next I will take as ceiling. Equals to say ceiling. Open the bracket. And here also you give argument as 1. Ceiling what it will do? It will round up to next higher number. For 4.6 it will make it as 5. Means forcibly if you want to round up to next higher number. Either it may be above or 5 or it may be below. Either it may be above or below. Once if I drag, forcibly it will round up to next higher number. For next higher number is ceiling. If you want to remove the fractional value, that is called floor. Okay. See, these are the important functions which you have to remember. Next what we have, next one function called truncate. Equals to say trunk. Spelling the function name is trunk, but pronunciation is truncate. Now open the select the value, comma. Now after that, how many decimal place you want to represent? That is called truncate. Now if I say 1, it show 1 decimal place. Same thing if I say equals trunk. Okay, if I say comma 2, it show 2 decimal places. Like that. That is for representing number of decimal places. Okay, this is the use of functions. Okay, trunk, ceiling, floor. Okay, then I told regarding square root, power. Okay, then what we have? Absolute, seal, truncate. Okay, these are the functions which we are using. Okay, next what we have? We have a function called, suppose I will say a function called sum if. Actually what is sum if? For sum if select the value, comma, here use the condition with quotes. Suppose I will say greater than I will say 45. Here what is doing is adding, it will add only the value which is above 45. See, that is called sum if. Once again I will show equals sum if. Okay, select the values, then comma. Suppose if I say less than 45. Here I am giving the condition. According to the condition, it is adding the values. Okay, that is the meaning of sum if. Okay, suppose if I say suppose some values are repeated here. Okay, now again let's say equals sum if. Open the bracket, select the value. Now suppose if I say comma, I say equals, I say 6. Now whichever the value that are equal to 6 is adding. Okay, like that. Here I am adding depending on the condition. Some next what you have? Next you have one value called that is a count A. There is a function called count A. Actually, what is the meaning of count A? Count A will count the number of cells filled with values. Number of cells filled with values. See, count A. Next what you have? Next one more function here. That is called count blank. Count blank. Actually, what is the count blank? Count blank is for counting the blank cells. Blank cells or empty cells. Okay, these things. Okay. Next what you have? Suppose I type some fruit names. I'll say apple, then I'll say mango, then I'll say pineapple, then I'll say guava, then I'll say orange, again I'll say apple. Now we have a function called, you say equals count it. Okay, select the value. Okay, now actually what is the meaning of counting? Which word you want to count? Suppose whichever word you want to count, which is repeated number of times. Okay, suppose if I say apple, in the list will count, same word is repeated how many number of times? See, if I press enter, it will count for 2. It will not show for apple, pineapple, because pineapple is different. Now apple is repeated 2 times. Like that, countify for counting a given word which is repeated number of times. Okay. Now if you want to see the formulas, what you do? See here, you go to the one option is there. You go to that is formulas. You go to formula, then you go to show formula. Show formula. Okay. You know, show the formulas. You show the formula which is already created. So this is formula. Okay. What I have done. Okay. Now if you want to see next formula, again you go to sheet 2. Again you go to formula, show formula. See this formula. Okay. These are the formulas it will show. Again if you want to go to next sheet, again only 2 sheets. No? Sheet 1 and sheet 2. Okay. Truncate, ceiling, floor, sum if. Okay. Then what we did? Then we did ceiling. Okay. Count if. These things are there. See, these are the functions which are done. Okay. From this is sheet 1. This is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. Okay. Now these are the basic mathematical functions which come in the Excel. Okay, thank you.